Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to add Note to Contact in the inbox in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature allows you to keep record of important information about the contact. To start, go to the specific contact you want to add notes. Once there, click on Add, New below the notes. Add the important information you want to add about the contact. Once done, don't forget to click Save. There you have it. You just learned how to add Note to Contact in the inbox. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.